Hello, in this tutorial we will show you how to create a long-haul cruise. First, head to Cruises, Long-haul Cruises and press Add. Write the name of the cruise and choose some amenities if you like. Pick one of the available destinations and add the departure port. Add the length of the cruise and the name of the ship. Insert the captain's name and phone number. The last two will be only available to the manager of the dashboard and will not appear within the Traveler's app. Insert the embarkation and disembarkation locations. If the city isn't filled automatically, you can add it manually. Set the starting date and time, as well as the ending date and time. Add an image and set the itineraries. You can add as many itineraries as the number of days the cruise will last. Next, add the description, landmarks, and the cancellation policy. If you press save, a notification will pop up asking if you want to set the ticket's price. This is an important step. If you forget to manage your ticket prices, travelers will not be able to book your cruise. Let's press OK to this message. Here you will be able to see all the available tickets for the specific cruise. Press Add Ticket, fill in the information asked, and press Save. You can also include some extra pictures of the cruise from the View and Edit icon and by pressing Manage. Upload 1 to 5 images and press Update Gallery. You can also edit and delete any of your long-haul cruises, as long as they are not currently booked.